All right, so here's the deal. Fix-A-Flat is a scam. They're replacing my stove in the morning. Yeah, notice the burnt area. And I was off tomorrow, so I was going to come over here, but unfortunately, being a holiday, I have to work. And the only thing they had at Walgreens was this $20 can of Fix-A-Flat foam sealant, which I thought would work just great to seal behind the stove to make sure no critters from my neighbors gets into the building. So I have this little crack here, which I've already sprayed 5 times. And that's what the foam looks like when it comes out. But I have sealed this 3 times, and when the sealant sort of dissipates, it evaporates. So well, it's hard to hold the camera and show you, but I probably can do it. Excuse me. No, I'm not drunk. I will spray a little foam in here. But watch what happens. Well, this is going to take a couple of minutes. But nothing happens. It just evaporates. Evaporates into nothingness. Just nothingness. There's no stickiness, there's no foam, there's no nothing. How could this possibly seal a tire? It can't even seal a little fucking hole in the wall. Pardon my language, but Fix-A-Flat is a freaking scam. It's a scam. That should just seal. I thought it would be like expanding foam. And it expands, but it expands, it's just water. It's just some kind of water-based thing. There's no sealant. There's nothing sticky. There's nothing sticky. I've sprayed this 4 or 5 times. There's a wet residue. That's it. It's just gonna evaporate. This was a total waste of my time. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. A ridiculous waste of my time. Fix-A-Flat. You're a fucking scam, motherfuckers.